Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I DIY'd a glass vase for my home using rubber band and spray paint and a Dollar Tree flared glass cup using Mod Podge and glitter. At the end of the video, you will see how I style all DIY items on a Tablescape. For the first DIY, I'll be using rubber band, a glass vase, and spray paint. So now I'm placing the rubber band on the vase. And making sure the rubber band is straight all around. Placing the third rubber band. And you can create whatever design you want. So here I'm trying to place the rubber band at the bottom, just having a little hard time doing that. Here I just added my fourth rubber band. Adding another rubber band towards the bottom. This rubber band here, I'm placing that one closer to one of the rubber bands to create a design. And I will do the same towards the bottom. this is how it looks with all the rubber bands in place. And now off camera, I took it outside to spray paint it with the copper color. The brand is Rosolium. And this is how it looks. While I was painting the vase, I also sprinkled some glitter very lightly on the vase. So I did that while the paint was still wet. So now you notice I have removed one of the rubber bands, and this is how it looks once you remove it. And I'll continue to remove the rest of the rubber bands. And this is the final look of the vase, the rubber bands being removed. And now I'm brushing off the excess glitter and some of the paint from the rubber band. And this was a very easy DIY. See this vase on a tablescape towards the end of this video. And now I will show you how I DIY this flared glass cup from Dollar Tree using decoupage and rose gold glitter. I purchased the glitter from Hobby Lobby. And now I'm applying the decoupage to the bottom of this vase. I seen a similar vase at Home Goods. The difference, the bottom of it was painted rose gold. So I decided to use glitter instead. Now I'm applying the glitter. I did 2 coats of glitter, and I'm using the fine glitter. Here's the final look, and I also used that same method on a Dollar Tree cocktail glass cup. And here's the final look of my DIY styled on a tablescape. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're not already a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice so you'll know when I upload a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Thank you again, and stay blessed.